Folks, let's dive right into the features of the JetSet spraying set. They allow you to quickly and easily convert the spraying gun into a glue gun without tools for use in a variety of ways. The PFT spraying gun has an electric shutoff, a plug tap, an inductive switch with 4-pin remote, control plug and a mortar hose coupling. The set is particularly suitable for reinforcing mortar, adhesive mortar, and for plastering. The JetSet Pro spraying set is supplied complete with extensive accessories such as an extension for remote control cable and a case. The StaviBlock system is a versatile and innovative solution for facade cladding, designed to enhance the aesthetics, durability, and insulation properties of buildings. StaviBlock's interlocking design and lightweight components make installation quick and straightforward. This can result in cost savings and reduced construction time. The system provides excellent thermal insulation properties, which can improve the building's energy efficiency and reduce heating and cooling costs. It helps maintain a comfortable indoor environment year-round. StaviBlock materials are durable and weather-resistant, ensuring the facade's longevity and minimal maintenance requirements. This resistance to the elements helps protect the building's structure. Porotherm is your go-to for building sturdy load-bearing walls in houses or commercial spaces. These blocks are known for their insulation superpowers. They help keep your indoor temperatures comfy and save on energy bills. Installation is a breeze because they're lightweight and easy to handle. Your construction project just got a lot easier. These blocks work like a charm with other materials and construction methods. Versatility is the name of the game. This is a great tool as a multi-purpose tool used to lift, pull, and carry bulky items. The Carry All Lift Lender features a durable all-plastic construction and an improved ergonomic grip. This product is ideal for contractors, homeowners, movers, and more. It helps prevent lower back pain, injuries, and back strains. Highlighted uses include transporting ladders, hauling plywood, drywall and pegboard sheets, carrying groceries, and opening buckets. This specializes in the construction of buildings using timber frames. This construction method has gained popularity due to its sustainability, versatility, and efficiency. Timber frame homes are known for their energy efficiency, flexibility in design, and eco-friendly characteristics. Timber frame buildings can be highly energy efficient when combined with proper insulation and construction techniques. Timber frame construction is often faster than traditional building methods. You will be amazed by the result of this wooden house video too. Raising concrete slabs is a process used to lift and level sunken or uneven concrete surfaces. This technique is commonly employed to address issues like cracked, settled, or uneven concrete in driveways, sidewalks, patios, and other areas. Concrete slab lifting has several advantages over traditional methods of slab replacement, including cost savings, minimal disruption, and faster completion times. It's also a more environmentally friendly option as it reduces the need for new concrete and the associated carbon emissions from production. These systems are engineered to prevent shifting and unevenness in gravel or stone surfaces, ensuring a stable and level area for walking, driving, or parking. They help minimize erosion on gravel surfaces by stabilizing the material and reducing the impact of external factors like rainwater and heavy traffic. Gravel stabilization systems improve accessibility on loose gravel surfaces, making it easier for pedestrians and vehicles to traverse the area without the risk of sinking or instability. Strong-Tie So special? Well, they've got a wide range of products that are designed to connect, anchor, and strengthen various parts of your construction projects. Think of them as the glue that holds everything together, quite literally. One of their standout features is their dedication to innovation and engineering. They're all about creating top-notch products that not only meet but exceed industry standards. Whether it's connectors, anchors, or fasteners, you can bet that Simpson Strong-Tie products are built to last.